It's all lean gains right here. Lean gains. Hey guys, I want to welcome you to this episode of Jumpstart Abs. This week is Monday, it's peak week. We hop on stage on Friday, so we're really diligent in our protein to lean protein. So here we got some tilapia, we got some white cod. Swing on over here, we got some turkey sausage, we got some chicken sausage. On over here, we got some asparagus, we got some scallops, and we got some shrimp. I'm tired of eating chicken, so I try to give myself a little variety. But also I want to show you guys that there's other alternatives outside of eating chicken to get your protein in, get your lean gains, alright? Alright, so we got our burgers going here. We're gonna dump all our shrimp in here. You hear that sizzle? I love that sound. So just to give you guys an idea of what we're doing as far as proportion here, guys. This is 2 pounds of shrimp. I'm also gonna dump in some scallops. If you guys have never tried this, I know a lot of you guys have seen me cook this before, prepare these meals before, but these meals are really good. Here we got a pound of scallops. Scallops going in. Make sure none of those little creatures escape in there. Here we got 2 pounds of chicken and turkey sausage. It's low fat, low sodium, no carbs. Dump all that in there. We're gonna take our fresh asparagus and we're just gonna lay that on top there. Yeah guys, so we got our seafood going here. We got shrimps, scallops, turkey sausage, chicken sausage. We got some green peppers, asparagus, some red peppers, some yellow peppers, some orange peppers, some onion. And this is gonna be an amazing meal prep here, guys. And this is all lean gains right here. Lean gains. But it was all of those years to make who I am. Let me show you guys what kind of seasoning we're gonna use today. Of course, we're gonna use nothing but our Flavor God seasonings, because that's how we get down. So we're gonna look for our everything seasoning. Just like I said before, guys, we put that shit on everything. We got our tilapia here, and we got our fresh cod. So what I did, guys, is I don't buy the frozen fillets. I buy the nice and fresh ones from your local deli. They're pretty cheap. You can get a pound for about $5.99. So I just went and got about 3 pounds. And now I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit of our everything seasoning on here. And so we're gonna switch it up a little bit today. We are going to mix in a little bit of Cajun lovers and sriracha. Let that bake for a little while. And while we're letting that bake, we're gonna come back over here and finish preparing our meals. We got the shrimp going, we got the scallops going. But also I just wanna show you guys, man, like this stuff's not hard. It really just takes discipline and how bad you want it. You know, when it boils down to it, guys, I got a goal that needs to be accomplished. That goal has to be executed by any means necessary, because that's the standard that I set for myself. So regardless of how tired I am or how weak I'm feeling that day, or you know, whatever's bothering me in my personal life, you know, you got to put all that shit aside, guys, and really dig deep to execute your goals. Because remember, man, at the end of the day, guys, it's just you versus you. Nobody else is going to do the work for you. Nobody else is going to put you in a position to win. So you always have to look out for yourself when it comes to those regards, and always got to just give it your best foot forward, guys, and just keep moving forward. Because just like I always preach to you guys, life is short, man. You know, you can be here today, you can be gone tomorrow. And after that, like I said, you're just a memory, guys. So what kind of lasting memory do you guys want to leave? I want to leave positivity, I want to leave motivation, I want to leave like, yo, when I walked into the room, people know like, hey, you know what? Lloyd gave good energy and he wanted everybody to win. He wanted to make everybody better. So that's the legacy that I want to leave behind, guys. And I just want everybody to win. So we're going to win on these games real quick though first. So yeah, guys, with these meals, we're looking to get anywhere between, you know, anywhere from 6 to 7 ounces per meal. You know, we're gonna be getting in about 5 meals a day. So it's gonna be pretty snappable for us. This there's nothing boring about our meal prep program here. You guys eat. I actually encourage you to eat. You know, I know there's some online trainers out there, there's some programs that are out there that they're really bland. You know, you really can't eat brown rice and chicken. That's not a diet, okay? That's not a meal prep program, guys. That's torture. you gotta have variety with your food, guys, because if you don't have variety with your food, guess what? You ain't gonna eat it and you ain't gonna stay disciplined and stay on your diet. So you guys got to have a little bit of variety, you know? And even with mine, I allow people to have cheat meals here and there, you know? Because you working your ass off, guys, for however many weeks that you sign up for these programs, you know? You gotta reward yourself for it too. You gotta reward yourself for the hard work, but also it's gonna force you guys to stay on your program. It's gonna force you guys to stay focused.
I spent my whole life chained to the wall.
So meal prep should be fun, guys. Nothing boring about meal prepping. You gotta make it fun. You guys gotta enjoy it. You gotta love it, because that's what's gonna keep you doing it. Anything that you get bored of, guess what? You're just gonna put it down, leave it on the shelf. It's just gonna collect dust. But with this, guys, it's a lifestyle. So you wanna stay focused on it and stabbing at it, just perfect it. I mean, the more you do it, the easier it becomes. For me, I mean, this is second nature to me now, because I want it that bad. Like I said, I love to look good. So you transpire from that, you know, you gotta put in the work. Nothing's gonna come to you overnight, guys, and nothing definitely is gonna fall in your lap. For those of you guys out there that are, you know, hung up on shit that's preventing you guys from moving forward in your life, you gotta learn to let it go, man, because it's gonna hurt you hanging on to it more so than it is for whatever it is that hurt you. If it's a person, if it's a thing, whatever it is. You gotta learn to let it go, guys, and move forward. You know, just cut the ties with it and move forward, because life is short, man. Life is too short for you to be depressed, miserable, unhappy. You know, we have a choice as a human being, as individuals, to be happy. And I choose to be happy all the time. So if something doesn't suit me, guess what? I break out my scissors. Where my scissors at? I break out my scissors over here, and I cut that shit off, all right? Cut it off. Your happiness is everything, man. You know, your happiness determines, you know, how far you guys go in life. It determines the quality of your relationships. It determines everything. So always remember, guys, your happiness is pretty much your sanity. We all make choices that are going to affect which direction our life goes in, you know. If it's a positive choice, our life is going to go in a positive direction. If it's a negative choice that you make, guess what? Your life's going to go in a negative direction. All right? So stay true to yourself. Stay humble. Stay blessed. Stay focused. Let's just spread love, man. And let's eat good.